Hey guys, Captain Rush here with Local Knowledge, and today we have a 28-pound Black Fin Tuna we caught right off of Key West yesterday. Black Fin Tunas, if you know anything about them, 28 pounds is a really nice fish, and we're going to talk about cleaning this fish today. And I'm going to clean it a little differently than I normally clean my Black Fin Tunas. And the reason for that is I want to be able to get all the meat out of the head and over the rib cage here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the head off of this fish. It's a little different variation, and I'm going to walk you through it as I do it, so follow along. First thing I'm going to do is start right here at the pec fin. Come right up to the V right here on the head. Come around right in front of the anal fin. Oop. And pop my knife right through, okay? Come back around, right? Come right here at the anal, or the pec fin. Come right to that same point that I started my first cut. And then I'm coming right around to the throat here and cutting it through. And basically all I'm doing with these fish is I'm collaring them. So I'm gonna pop the head off right here, and you're gonna watch, I'm gonna use the weight of the fish to break this head off, okay? Putting the head right here, and all I'm doing is pushing down. That head comes right off and smears my shirt up. So now I've removed the head from the fish. And as you can see, perfectly collared here. Now it's basically just cleaning this fish like you would a blackfin any other time. Okay, I'm just gonna come right down this bloodline right here, make a nice straight cut. Come from my tail section. Now I have the top loin and the bottom. Start with the top loin here. Come right down the back. Right. Lay my knife flat. Pop that top loin right off there. Big old tuna loin right there. Then I'm gonna come right here. Same thing, lay my knife flat. And what I can do here, same thing with all my other fish, I come right over that rib cage. Right down the back. There you go. That's the first half of your tuna right there. All right, you can see how nice and clean that came off. Not a lot of meat left. We got the most out of our fillet there. I'm gonna flip my fish over, make an incision right here on the tail. Same thing, come right down that bloodline. Okay. Come right here to the top of my fish. Work my way down, ensuring that that knife is flat. Okay, I pop my top loin off. Now I start working on the bottom loin. Right. That pops right off there. See what we have there? Nothing left. Grab a little longer knife. We'll pop. These off right here. So I grab my loin, take my little longer knife here for skinning, turn the knife, cut down halfway through, turn the knife sideways, and I'm just letting the knife do the work. Nice sharp knife, you barely have to put any pressure on it. Just cuts right through that nice tuna meat. Come over here, cut that bloodline out. Tunas do have a bigger bloodline than most fish, so you just want to make sure you get all of that out. Look at that beautiful tuna loin right there. Pokey, sashimi, tartar, whatever you want. So guys, that's how I clean blackfin tuna. I like to pop the head off. I feel like I get a little cleaner fillet. I feel like I get a little more meat off of them, and it just works really well for me. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel.